was wondering where that thing went.
Nothing. There it is. Pissed.
You know, if you bring it up to the top, it's easier. Or I can just shut up and let you do it your way. I guess I need to be getting you a plug ready. Man, I lost the
Gapper.
gapper.
Good job.
I know. I'm so kind of special.
I'm just picking on you. Swap you.
They're not terrible.
Yet. You ain't got to the one that's causing problems yet. Look at me being an idiot, not putting it in there right. I was in there like, why isn't it going? Would you? Thank you.
And yes, we disconnected the battery.
Safety first.